The Yearbook Ladder has all the features you need to lay out, organize, and manage your yearbook as a team. Your yearbook is arranged on the ladder by sections, like chapters in a book. Sections can include an introduction, class portrait pages, clubs, sports, and more. Organize your book to fit the needs of your school. Printable ladder posters are available in the knowledge base to help plan your book in the classroom. Advisors can create sections on the ladder by clicking the New Section button. Name the section, enter the number of pages, and add a due date. You can start with blank pages or select from the available design styles, which are pre-designed pages that you can customize. Check to assign staff members to the section and click OK. Your new section will now appear on the ladder. You can drag and drop sections on the ladder to rearrange them, and the page numbers will update automatically. The status column shows one of 4 different statuses for each section. In progress means the section is available for editing. Checked out means someone else is currently working on the section. Complete means the section has been marked complete and is waiting for an advisor to review and comment. Reviewed means the section has been approved by an advisor and is finished, awaiting completion of the other sections. The Actions column has icons on each ladder section with quick access to key features, depending on your specific user privileges. To design pages in a section, click the pencil edit icon or simply double-click to open the editor. The new History feature allows you to revert the section back to an earlier saved version. Click Preview at the top of the ladder anytime to see the most current version of your book. You can toggle trim marks on and off and view detailed information about warnings or potential errors, listed by page number and highlighted in the preview. This is also where you'll come once it's time to submit your book for final proofing and printing. Until then, use the features on the ladder to work together and build your yearbook.